happened?
We've been here all day. Our son had a dentist appointment at 11:30.
Okay.
He showed up.
Who's he?
The dad.
She had been driving with my girlfriend. She followed us all the way to Waco. Sunday, there's a report on the old where I tried to get my kid, and she held him from me.
He showed up. We came. We left. After the dentist appointment, we went to, what's that seafood place?
Yeah, I'll forget the name. So 11:30, you came here?
Yes. I can show you all the text messages.
For a kid's
I teach pediatrics.
Okay.
He showed up. We went.
He's your boyfriend?
He's my son's dad.
Son's dad.
And he showed up. Whatever. We left. We went and had lunch. We did an interview with some girl that we're trying to hire to be my son's nanny. Things hurt so bad. It hurts. I can't even tell. My tooth's about to fall out.
Before they get here, do you mind if I take pictures and stuff? Yeah.
My arm hurts.
She hit you in your arm too?
She had brass knuckles on. I can show you pictures. She showed up in his other vehicle. She's been blowing me up. And he let her leave. She told him to walk away with our son so she could beat the out of me, and he let her. That's her right there. She jumped in the car because she parked over there. She jumped in his truck and started beating the shit out of me right here. You can see the brass knuckles.
My girlfriend said she said something, and she turned around and punched the right one. Nobody's doing about. She punched my girlfriend out, and then they started fighting. Obviously, if you hit somebody, they expect to get self-defense. She hit her, and then she defended herself. So,
can I get these pictures real quick?
Yes.
Before they do anything?
I'm in pain.
Okay.
My tooth is like literally jiggling out.
Yeah. Okay. I'm so sorry this happened to you, but let me just get these pictures real quick, okay?
Do y'all have a custody agreement, or what's the?
yes.
What's y'all's custody agreement?
I mean, it doesn't matter because she breaks all the time.
Is there anything under the lip?
My cheek hurts. Like
How many times do you think she punched you?
she punched me a lot, and he let her. He told her
I walked away with her son.
you're
Let me get some
I
pictures.
fucking hate you.
Let me get some pictures on this side of your arm.
She even tried to grab his gun out of his truck and shoot me.
Is there anywhere else that hurts?
Cheek.
Okay, go let them take a look at you, and then I'll talk to you again.
Trying to grab that gun right there. Can I show y'all pictures of the brass knuckles?
You just showed me. I'll talk to you after they're done checking you out.
Have the water out of your truck, please. Shit, you're so useful, piece of shit.
What?
Cheek is like broken. It hurts to move.
I didn't do this.
Hey.
You better ask her for the tree. That's not how that went.
You let her. She told you to walk away so she could be.
Guys.
She came in your car.
We're not
in
gonna.
your car.
Hold on.
Daddy, calm down.
This is you know the ambulance checker.
Daddy.
We're trying to figure out what all happened. Okay, we're just.
Yes.
Yeah, but but again, we'll get that in a minute.
He let her leave. He told her to leave in his vehicle. And why is she not getting stopped?
Because she was 10 minutes ahead of us. We have no idea where she is right now. Okay, are you gonna let the ambulance check you out?
He's trying to get his mind off of what's going on.
You're good.
Hi, Papa. What you doing? Hi. I want to go look at my kid.
Hey, just don't cause a scene, okay?
It's my day. I have the court-ordered paperwork. This is why I held the child from him the other day, because of that girl. And she came and assaulted me today. Y'all see why I kept my kid now? I don't want that on the orders. I can give you the document number, and this is why I held my child, and he's protecting the girl that just assaulted me. I'm the one that came here with my son today, invited him. And I'm the one that gets assaulted because he hung out with me for too long. The girl has to show up and beat the hell out of me and then leave, and he tells her to leave. He told her to hurry up and leave.
Were you talking about what happened before then?
So I have police reports from the other day where I withheld him from having his son. It's because of that girl. She's been threatening me. She's not in our orders. I can show our court orders where nobody's supposed to live in the house. Her and another guy's living there. The guy that lives there has assault charges. I held him. He called the cops. The cops let me keep him. I have the report number. This was just Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
So then I told him the other day, I was like, hey, I'll allow you supervised visits. Like, I don't want to hold your son from you. Like, and then anyways, today's my day though. And so I was like, he has a dentist appointment. I'd love for you to come. This is what time it's at. Oh my God, I'm in a lot of pain. I was like, this is what time it's at. He's like, okay. Well, he shows up late. I asked the dentist, hey, can you please hold him? Like, whatever. And I can show you all the text messages, like, of me telling him, like, hurry. Like, the dentist said they'll wait on you. He's like, okay. So he gets here. We do the dentist appointment with my son. We leave the dentist appointment. I sat right here. When we leave, we go and eat at
Seafood place right
seafood.
here.
So whatever that seafood place is.
Fish City Grill.
Fish City Grill. We ate there. We did an interview with a girl. He has the text messages from her. I have them too. Or we met her there because he wants to take our son out of daycare.
What happened here?
I'm trying to tell you what happened. Obviously, we were gone for too long. She has his location. I don't know what she has. Well, we went to Atwood's and we sat in the parking lot at Atwood's for a while, just talking. Well, we come back here. We talked for a while. And then she started blowing me up on all kinds of different numbers. And I can show you. She texted me and she said, why don't y'all just come over here and we all hang out? And then she texted me on like different, and I'm like, why don't you just come over here and we all hang out? So I sent her a picture. I said, we're having a great time without you. Like, he's talking to me. He's trying to love on me. He's like, it's okay. Like, I'm going to handle this. I'm not going to let her disrespect you. Like, you are the mother of my child. I'm like, okay. And I'm like, well, let us go with you. He's like, no. Well, the next thing I know, I was like, why? And then he goes, she's right there. And she parked right there. She comes out. He unlocks the truck for her. She gets in that seat because I was in the driver's side because I was about to get out and I was about to leave because he was going to go handle that situation with her. And
Where was he sitting?
He was standing like in the middle of his doorway and had my son because he was about to he opened. If you look on the cameras, you'll see he had the door open. He just put my son's diaper bag and my keys in my son's car seat. He was like, because she's right there, and she walks up and she jumps in the seat and she's like, Trace, I'm about to beat the shit out of her. Da 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 da. Can I beat her ass? And he was like, not in front of my kid. Let me walk away. So he walks away with the baby, and next thing I know, she just starts beating the fuck out of me with brass knuckles. I was like, I'm calling the cops. I decide to like act like I'm about to call the cops, and that's when she hauls ass. I try to get a picture of the brass knuckles. Thank God I did, and she hauls ass, and she goes that way, and she's headed back to his house. Can y'all call a deputy there? Like, how come she can just get away with?
She's not getting away with it. You're filing charges right now.
This shit hurts, man. This shit hurts.
I agree with you. Let's paint.
My
That's
cheek
what we're doing.
hurts. No, just give me no, mom. Get away. No, get away from me. Like, can you leave?
Tessa, you called me here. Stop.
Because I want my dad.
Are you willing to fill out a written statement right now about what happened? Or
I can't even think. Can I record it? No body cam me? Like,
no, I mean we are recording, but I'm just wondering if you,
my elbow.
How many times did he hit you?
She hit me a lot. I don't know. She just started
Was
punching
it
on
just
me.
the one hand that she kept using over and over again? Did you hit her back in any way?
I grabbed her hair to try to push her away.
Okay.
I never even touched her. Like, you can see, like, this is after the fact she took off. Like, you see, I never got her.
Yeah.
That's her after the fact. She
Is
had
this
the brass.
inside the it's inside
She
the
jumped inside his truck.
Okay.
There's
I'll get some
blood
pictures.
everywhere.
I already took pictures of her.
Can I get my kid, please?
If it's do you have the court
Yes.
order with you?
I'll grab him right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Issue 1 concerns the deadly weapon enhancement under Texas Penal Code Section 22.02, which transforms a simple assault into a far more serious offense. A baseline assault under Section 22.01 is a Class A misdemeanor, but the use or exhibition of a deadly weapon elevates the charge to a second-degree felony. This elevation carries dramatic consequences, with a punishment range of 2 to 20 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice. Texas Penal Code Section 1.07 defines a deadly weapon as anything that, in the manner of its use, is capable of causing death or serious bodily injury. Brass knuckles squarely meet this definition, a conclusion confirmed by the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals in Mims v. State, decided in 1999. Issue 2 examines party liability under Texas Penal Code Section 7.02, which extends criminal responsibility beyond the person who physically commits the offense. The statute reaches anyone who, acting with intent to promote or assist the offense, solicits, encourages, directs, aids, or attempts to aid the actor. The critical legal threshold here is intent. Mere presence at the scene is not enough, and even mere knowledge of the impending crime is not enough. The state must prove the accomplice consciously desired to promote the underlying crime, which is among the most difficult mental states to establish at trial. On these facts, whether unlocking the vehicle satisfies that intent element is a contested question that properly belongs to prosecutors, not to on-scene officers.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I get? Can we put him in the car just to get him away from all
Yeah.
So same thing I told him, okay? If y'all don't give him back, you can still get filed on for inferential child custody. Okay?
We weren't even, I just invited him to our son's dentist appointment today.
I know.
And then we went and ate, and
I'm
then
not
that's
saying-
when we were sitting here, he wanted me to, we were talking, she started blowing me up. She got in the car, she said, Trace, can I beat the shit out of her? Yada, yada, yada. She said, step away. He said, not in front of my kids, so then he stepped away. And that's when she got, those were his brass knuckles, his car. Those are your brass knuckles out of your duffel bag in your house, Trace.
But she brought them here.
Yes. And she was in his vehicle, and he unlocked the truck for her, because I locked it when he said she's right there. Can someone get camera footage from Atwoods and City Grill?
Well, right now, what did it happen here or over there?
Well, I'm just saying, so y'all see evidence of us all day here together.
Yeah, I can't try to get
Can I
that.
go put this in the car?
Okay.
We sat in the truck for a while, and I could show you.
Yeah,
I
you
said-
show me whatever. You should just show me.
how to
Take
experience,
screenshots.
and she got pissed off because I told him I was gonna
Okay,
show
so
her.
take.
What exactly happened when Morgan showed up?
That's when shit hit the fan and went down fast. Morgan got in the truck, and she was like, "Are you gonna get out of the truck?" This man told you to get out of the truck multiple times. She was like, "F you, bitch. This ain't nothing to do with you. Just going off at each other." Morgan said something to me, and then Tessa turned around and punched her, and then they started going at it.
I need you to calm down. Listen to me.
10-4.
This isn't love. This is not.
No shit. So why do you keep... Why don't y'all go eat?
He interviewed the girl because he wanted her to be a nanny for us.
Why are your pants all unbuttoned?
Because he was trying to fuck me. I have a picture of him with his. Quit touching me. Just go.
Oh.
You swear to go, please.
Oh,
You called her here. I don't see
I
why.
wanted my
I don't
dad.
see why you have to animosity towards her. You're the one I called her here.
I'm also just anxiety.
She's trying to figure out what happened. And so am I.
Look, this is when
You're going a million times a
you're
minute.
gonna see his pee because he was trying to fuck me. And this was at 4:34, and that's my car parked right there.
Well, okay.
I think you're okay.
I'm going to the hospital. I'm hurting. I'm hurting so bad, and I feel dizzy and lightheaded, like I just want to pass out. This is where her car was, or his car. That's his car. And she ran back over there. This is when she came into the car with brass knuckles, and you see her hiding them.
No, there was another picture where you had where you could clearly see her with brass knuckles. Go back. I think it was that first one. Yeah, right there. Make sure you send me these pictures, okay?
Can you do it? I can't think. My
I
head
can't.
is dizzy.
I can't
Like,
do it. I don't know.
I don't even know what it.
Peace.
You just have to know her and see all the reports of this nonstop. It's every time. I got to call the cops in order to leave in situations. She's just emotional. She wanted me to tell Morgan to leave, like I told her. She wanted me to tell Morgan to leave and break up with her. When she doesn't get her way, she has a meltdown.
My tooth is loose.
Don't touch it.
And there was a gun right here that she acted like she tried to grab it when he walked off, and I started saying I was going to call the cops.
I agree.
No, she grabbed it. I watched her hand.
Did she grab it or try to grab it?
She like literally reached over me and she grabbed it and she went like that. And I don't know where it's at now. I even texted him too that I wasn't allowing my son to go to his house because she's been threatening to assault me. And then there's a guy that lives in his house that has assault charges from why I wouldn't let my kid go to his house. And in the report, she was the main reason.
Uh huh.
If you want to let him know that if he wants to help my parents with the child, that we are going to the hospital, if he wants to sit at the hospital with his kid with my parents, he's more than welcome to. Did you hear that? We're going to the hospital. If you want to help my parents at the hospital, you're more than welcome to. But CPS is going to be notified too. I'm going to the hospital, but he's going to the hospital to get the ambulance.
Well, I just don't see that being a good idea.
I mean, I don't have anything against you. It's the fact that you allowed this girl to be the mother of your child.
I didn't allow
In your car. And you told her to leave. You were just sitting there hugging on me.
Issue 3 turns to the probable cause analysis under the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which governs every arrest and warrant decision. The governing standard comes from Illinois versus Gates, decided in 1983, which established the totality of the circumstances test. Here, the officers possessed 4 converging categories of evidence: a sworn complainant, visible injuries consistent with her account, contemporaneous photographs, and a corroborating witness. Under the Gates framework, the probable cause threshold for an arrest warrant is comfortably exceeded. Issue 4 addresses the suspect's later admission and the Fifth Amendment framework that determines whether such statements are admissible at trial. Under Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, custodial interrogation requires a knowing, intelligent, and voluntary waiver of the right to remain silent. Assuming proper Miranda procedure was followed, the suspect's admission to possessing brass knuckles is admissible and devastating to her defense. That admission eliminates the prosecution's burden of proving the deadly weapon element through circumstantial evidence alone. A separate point on the victim's defensive conduct: under Texas Penal Code Section 9.3-1, force is justified when the actor reasonably believes it is immediately necessary to repel unlawful force. Grabbing the aggressor's hair to push her away falls squarely within this protection and creates no legal exposure for the victim. This is not mutual combat in any legal sense because the suspect was the initial aggressor and was armed with a deadly weapon.
I asked him multiple times to get out of the truck.
But you were hugging on me. Were you or were you not hugging me?
Sitting here arguing. Because I'm telling you not to tell you to get out. Like you
Telling me, you told me, oh yeah, I'll have you come back to the house tonight once I make her leave.
Let's not do this.
Okay, are you going, Trace, or not? Are you going or not? What? Do you have any shorts in here? Can you go get me some shorts and bring them back?
You just asked me.
Yeah, well, they can't go get them. So can you go get me some? We're in this situation because of your girl.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, you're not saying this.
Can you go get me some shorts?
Okay, well, I just advise you to just.
Can you go get me some shorts, Trace? What?
I thought he gave you money for shorts.
They don't want to go grab them, and I need...
But they don't want to go buy them? The store's like right here.
But you have video, you have pictures of her in the vehicle with brass knuckles in her hands.
She had brass knuckles in her hand.
It was his
Yeah.
brass knuckles that's in his door in his room. It was those brass
And
knuckles.
he let her, he didn't try to stop her.
Did you see the brass knuckles? Did she have
I
brass
don't
knuckles?
even know what she's talking about. Brass knuckles.
Okay. You never saw them?
Well, I didn't see them physically, like actually connecting punches either, because I went to the back of the truck because I had the baby.
I'm about to ask him a question.
Tess. A detective's gonna be in contact with both of y'all to get everything, okay?
So what? He's just gonna stick up for this girl that just beat the shit out of the mother of his child?
What do you mean?
He's just gonna stick up for this girl that he allowed to get in his truck and beat the shit out of me?
I mean,
Now, what do you do about that?
Yeah.
I guess law to let open the door for somebody. Now, if he got in there and started hitting you while
Did
she
he
was
admit to y'all that he unlocked the truck for her?
it doesn't matter if he unlocked it or not. That's not a criminal offense. We can only handle the criminal side of things. We can't. Is it right? No. Can he do it? Maybe. I mean, can we do anything about it? No.
but both of y'all are saying there was no threat of violence until after she was already in the truck. So it'd be one thing if she was threatening violence before she got in the truck. You're saying that she got in the truck and then started threatening violence. I mean, it's not like he let her back, like knew she was coming to attack. But again, are you willing to take a statement with you to fill a statement out?
So, yeah,
Do you want to take one with you?
I guess.
That's where you come in, Dad. You got to talk to her and understand. If she wants him to go to the hospital with her, she was begging him to come to the hospital with her. I don't understand that. He just did this, and you want him to go to the hospital with you.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. They both, but he does too. But then he can't leave the other girls alone and everything. I'm like, you talk bad about me. I'm like, yes, dude. I said, man, you get in trouble with him. I said, I'm down with you. If he gets gone, I said, man, I'm done with this.
Oh no, you're not putting an IV in me.
They're gonna do it.
No, they're not. Oh, no.
Just gonna be clear.
No.
They gonna do it at the hospital.
No.
Hey, Tess.
Needles.
They'll take care of everything.
Yeah.
Just turn off your phone so you have battery when you get out.
I gotta call somebody.
They'll let you on.
Okay.
Okay, you're good. Thank you.
He's gonna pat you down, just make sure, and then we
Just
gotta
turn it on for me.
Turning to the grades, the responding officers receive a B+ for accurate probable cause analysis and unusually honest scene communication with the parties. Their grade is held back from higher only by inconsistent physical separation of witnesses for independent statements. The victim receives a B for evidence preservation, prompt reporting, and sound medical decisions made under conditions of obvious physical pain and emotional distress. The father receives a D for facilitating access to the vehicle and offering a notably selective account, though formal party liability remains a charging decision for prosecutors. The suspect receives an F for premeditated armed assault, a conclusion that is essentially uncontested following her own voluntary admission to investigators. 3 lessons emerge from this incident that apply broadly to victims, witnesses, and law enforcement officers alike. First, contemporaneous photographic evidence taken by a victim during or immediately after an attack is among the most powerful proof prosecutors can ever obtain. Second, on-scene officers should resist pressure to make charging decisions that properly belong to prosecutors after thorough follow-up investigation. Third, a suspect's voluntary admission, properly preceded by Miranda warnings, can transform a circumstantial case into an essentially direct evidence prosecution. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below, and thank you for watching.
We don't gotta handcuff you. Nothing personal.
Whoever pays, so who's ever looking, but I don't.
It's just in my head to be like,
No.
no, I'm not going to.
It's
Not
too
that I wanted to. It's just like, it's just.
It wouldn't
I'm
be
having
smart.
trouble, so it's only Facebook video, so it's just like stuck in my head.
Oh, this back, huh?